everyone, in front of me I have this OnePlus 10 Pro smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can download and install an Opera browser. So let's go ahead and start. First of all, you need to open up the Play Store. Here at the search bar type in Opera. After the Opera is found, press on install. Wait for the app to download and install itself. Open it. Continue. Here you gotta choose whether you want to enable or skip some of the features this browser has to offer. I'll just enable everything. And we're all set. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.